Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mickayla here, and I'm back again with another video. So today's video I'll be showing you my go-to glam makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you aren't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below and join my family. Also follow me on all my social media, they will all be linked down below. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit mini thought through, so I'm using my Cool Tan Elegant Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to prime my lids with this. So guys, I'm going to use my Morphe E27 brush, and I'm going to take my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm going to take the Sculpt shade, and I just use this as a light transition shade, and I'm just going to distribute that all over my crease. So the next palette I'll be using my e.l.f. blush palette. Yes guys, I use a blush palette for my everyday makeup look. For my everyday glam look, I absolutely love this look so much, and I achieve it with my e.l.f. My e.l.f. blush palette. So I'm gonna I use these two shades right here. So I'll be using the Morphe M441 brush to achieve this. And now I'm taking my Tartist Pro palette, guys, and I'm just going to dip into this shade called Edgy. This is the shade that I'm talking about. I'll be taking this shade and I'm placing that on my outer V, very lightly though, because I don't want this look to be too smoky, so I'm lightly adding that color to my outer V and then putting it in my crease. Now guys, I'm going to take my same concealer, and I'm going to use the same concealer I used to prime my eyes. I'm going to use to cut my crease, a very simple cut crease. The next palette I'll be using is this Seriano New York Basic Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use, try not to blind you guys, but I'm going to use this shade right here on the lid area where I cut my crease. And I'm using the same brush that I got in the palette. It's a perfect brush to apply shimmers, so that's what I'm using. Just going to add a little bit of extraness, and I'm going to use this shimmer pigment that I got from Cherryblesja. Once again, guys, go check out her page on Instagram, and this is the Meleon pigment, and I'm just going to use my e.l.f. glitter primer, and I'm going to put some of that on the back of my hand like this, and smooth it out on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to go into the pigment and add it to my lids. Very lightly though, not too much, just very lightly over the shimmer that I just put down. See that, guys? It's very, very subtle and nice for an everyday outing. Even if I'm going on a date, this would be a really cute look to do. So yeah. I'm going to apply my lashes and my Wet n Wild H2O proof, well, waterproof eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply that and my false eyelashes. So now I'm going to be priming my face, and I'll be using my Sacha Cosmetics Mattifier face primer. And guys, this is a Trinidadian company, so if you're not in Jamaica or you know anywhere else in the world, you have to order this online. Have to get this online, so I'm just blending this out, guys. Smoothing it all over my face. Then I'll be using my MAC Match Master foundation in the color, well, in the shade 8.0. Pro Concealer in the shade Suede, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes. Not a lot though, because as I said, this is everyday, so going to cream contour using my black Opal True Color foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. I set my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'll be using my black Opal True Color foundation powder in the shade 600 medium deep. I'm just using my e.l.f. powder brush to apply this. Guys, to bronze up my face, I'll be using my Beauty Concept Sweet Treats contour palette, and I'll be using these two shades here to bronze up my face. Okay guys, so now I'll be highlighting. I'll be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 200. And I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones. I'm going to apply the shade 100. Just a little bit because this one is way too ashy for me, but just to be extra, I'm gonna add some. Gonna run some of the color I had on in my crease under my lower lash line. Okay guys, I feel like doing a mole. I don't know. I feel like doing a mole, guys. I haven't done a mole in so long. So I'm just gonna place a little mole. Yes. A long time I do mole now, guys. I'm gonna do our next one right here. One eye. That's it for the moment, guys. Not doing too much. We're not doing freckles, okay? And then for my lip gloss, I'll be using the LA Colors Glossy Lips. I'm just gonna apply that to my lips. No lip liner, no lipstick, no lip gloss. Oh, yeah. So no lipstick, no color lip gloss, just this. I like applying a lot, guys, because I love glossy lips. Very juicy. To set my face, I'll be using the Mario Badescu facial spray. And I'm not going to use a lot of this, guys, because I want this look to be very matte, very nice. So that's it, guys. That's the amount of sprays that I'll be doing to my face. So now I'm just going to take my bonnet off or my head tie off, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and also follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.